Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Kahn here, business author, speaker. Welcome to this YouTube video entitled This Two-Word Toast, Drinking Toast, Commands Respect Instantly. Appreciate it if you could do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and also leave a message on this hopefully short video. So what is this simple two-word toast that commands respect instantly, that actually raises the esteem people have of you when you do it? It raises the esteem by maybe a quantum level or two. It's a very simple toast. So let me get my little shot glass here. This is what you say. And also it gives you something to aim for. It gives people, not only you, people, something to aim for. This is the toast. What you say is to prosperity. To prosperity. That's the toast. To prosperity. That's it. And that should be your North Star. Your guiding light is prosperity. We repeat the toast often enough, hopefully it sinks into your head that your goal in life is to seek prosperity. Or as I say in my writings, is to ensure your safe harbors of prosperity. You build your safe harbors of prosperity. That's it. Once you say that to prosperity, people will respect you because they never heard it before. Or maybe they heard it and they forgot about it. Use it. Use it. Anyways, I spoke long enough. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and also the thumbs up, okay? See you again. And remember, be prosperous. That's your goal in life, is to be prosperous. Bye now.